All right, guys, 2008 Ford Crown Vic Police Edition, all the way from Virginia, guys, 10 hours away. We really appreciate our fans coming down and taking care of their stuff. You guys don't know, we always give good big discounts when people drive this much for us, so we really do appreciate him coming down. And he's a veteran too. We really appreciate his service. Anyways, 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then he had a custom H-pipe installed right there. Bolt on. Then what we installed is 2 CARVEN TR performance mufflers right there. There's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. 2 of them. Then the tailpipes continue 2-inch on each side, there and there. The design on these tailpipes is crazy. Look, it goes all the way up, over, and then this way, and then all the way. You got to get a mandrel bender to get those bent. Like muffler shops will have to bend them in 2 pieces, but we always get them just pre-bent and put them on. And then you got 2 tips to complete the look right there and right there. Came out really clean, really nice. Look at that, very nice. There's the stock 2 mufflers that we cut off right there, and the end of the tips. Yeah, right there. That's cute. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, 4 Crown Vic. Here we go. Code. CARVEN TRs. Rev it gently. And these will break in about 30 days, get a little bit louder. That's deep. I like that. If you want it louder, get rid of the H-pipe. That's later on down the road if you want. Go ahead, sound decibels. So right at 97. Wow. Sound decibels. Again. 114, guys. Sound decibels. Right at 90. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Nice thing at idle, it's quiet. You can sneak up on people. Nothing crazy. You wanted a clean toe? That's what we got for him. See the tips on it. Came out really nice, really clean. Customer, he's not here. He's gonna come pick it up. That sounds so nice. Orla Touring Edition. Dual exhaust. Like old school wheels. It looks good. I love the police interceptors. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. CARVEN TR. Oh, that sounds good. Enjoy, guys. True dual straight pipe, 2-inch mid, 2 1/4 rear, 3.5-inch tips. go. That sounds really clean, smooth.